everybody, so to this video, I'm gonna walk in reverse wearing my heels. So this is my heels today. So okay, walk with me in reverse. So I'm going up and I'm gonna clean the room. So naman ako bit. Hello everybody, it's me as Queen, and to this video, I'm wearing this pink dress and the pink stiletto heels. So for today's video, I'm going to walk in the reverse wearing these heels. And I'm gonna clean upstairs with my outfit. So let's go. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to clean the floor. So I still have a lot to clean here. So how it feels walking in reverse. So he's gonna sweep the floor. Reverse walking and cleaning. So I think all is clean here. Oh, it's very clean. It's very shiny. So I'm just gonna model my outfit, and for now we're just gonna, because the floor is clean. Ito baby, limpyo. Picture po there. Picture. So, okay, just so I'm gonna sit down. I forgot. I can do it now. Hirap mo po na. So I'm gonna tap my heels. Walking in reverse and tapping my heels. So this is my terrace. And I need couch here so that I can also relax. But this time all I do is just walking with my pink stiletto heels. But yeah, we make a 70 challenge for this. Like tomorrow we're going to wear blue outfit, blue dress and blue outfit. It feels just good. I'm gonna walk reverse. So how it feels? It feels good when you step back. Like when I step back, it locks directly to the ground. Like when I step, I just directly lock. When I walk front, I have to do it first the front shoe instead of back because of the heels. It makes it comfortable with the back walking. The only thing I cannot see what's behind me. But I'm just here in a safe place. And yeah. So by the way, I'm just you know, I have CCTV here and my CCTV monitor is damaged, my gosh. So I have to buy new one, so I need to work harder. Then so far it's fast by uploading videos, and I'm gonna just sit down and dangle the video. I will dangle the video. I will dangle my shoes, my heels. Hey, back. So there's a cow. I see cow. It's gonna sit down here and enjoying the view. So I see my neighbor. I see so. So watching my neighbor, we have this solar panel. So I'm thinking, because my electric bill this time is very high, I'm going to also get the solar panel. So when it's power failure, I always have an electricity. So how do you like? I think I'm going to make a video like this, moving in reverse. If you like this kind of video, and then, well, I need to get my other phone and I'm gonna search something. And for now, just gonna relax my feet by my reverse walking. I still have the signal colors. It's lime green. It's really beautiful and shiny. Only I forgot to put the touring, but not mine. I have a picture. Hi, Gra. So, just enjoy watching there. And 2 minutes lang, Vic. So I'm just gonna search online here and do my shopping. If you want to send something, just click the super things for my shopping. And I'm gonna show you while sitting down like this, doing my shopping. You can send any donation. And if you want to donate for my vlog, you can also send any amount to my PayPal account. That's all, and hi, thank you. So I hope you enjoy our reverse walking today, walking backwards, and also next time I'm gonna wear again, if you like this video, I'm gonna wear the blue heels. And I'll see you next vlog. Bye everyone, love you all. And by the way, before we end the video, you can also check out my Patreon account and also click the join button level 3 for more driving videos.